Hi Jim, this is just a quick video response to you with regards your Samsung heat pump tumble dryer. Now you say you have model number DV70F5E0HGW, and the way you're describing the fault is that you're turning the machine on, but the display is completely going blank on you on some occasions. This normally indicates that you have a problem with the power supply or the circuit board. And let me explain. From the plug, the power goes into the back right-hand side of the machine, and this connects to an electrical filter, or sometimes known as a suppressor. From there, it goes out of that suppressor, and you normally have two wires going through to the circuit board, which will be your live and neutral. You need to test that when the display is blank. The reason I'm asking you to do that is because we need to work out whether you have a display problem, which means a circuit board problem, or you have a power failure getting to the circuit board. Because if the display goes off completely, then this is normally either a power supply fault or the circuit board is failing because of either a faulty component or possibly one of the solder tracks was badly done when manufactured, and you've got an intermittent power supply fault on the board. Now, the big problem with Samsung machines is they encapsulate the circuit boards on most of their machines in a silicon. So it's very hard to get down to actually have a look at the solder tracks on the circuit board. So it is quite difficult to actually interpret where the problem is. So anyway, I'm putting a link in the description on this video that will take you through to a web page. There are some variations of your machine. There are 14 similar models. So what you're going to have to do is go into the heat pump identification label and use the full model number and also the PNC number on occasions to identify to identify the correct model for your machine so that you don't order parts incorrectly. There's a link on the page as well to any spare parts that you require for your machine. But there is also a very good video I've done recently showing you how heat pump tumble dryers work and how to test them properly. This will be quite useful for you to make sure the machine is functioning correctly. I do apologise that I have not been able to get you a workshop manual or wiring diagram for this machine because Samsung are very bad at supplying this information. They like to keep all their information to themselves and their own engineers, and this makes it very unaffordable to repair machines when you're trying to do it yourself because the information is not available. Other companies do supply the information, but Samsung does not. Anyway, I've put a link in on this video, which will take you through to the page where I've put all the information for you. Good luck with your repair. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us.